Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Liv and I make lots of healthy recipe and lifestyle videos on this channel. So if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. And today we are making a healthy twist on a Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell. This is highly requested, and I know that you guys love when I make healthy versions of things like Pop-Tarts, Reese's cereal, and lots more. So I'm gonna leave my healthy copycat playlist down below so you can make all your favorite foods in a healthy version. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So this is everything you're gonna need in order to make your Crunchwrap Supreme. So I'm starting off with tortilla. This one is from Siete Foods, so it's grain-free and it's made with great ingredients. But if you can't find that one, I would just use any gluten-free one. I'm adding in a few spoonfuls of some grass-fed ground beef that also has onions in it. So this is a good leftover recipe or a meal prep recipe if you're meal prepping grass-fed ground beef. I'm adding in some queso. This one again is from Siete Foods, but I did make a queso recipe in my healthy junk food, which I will leave the recipe for below. Then for the crunch part, I know they use cheese, but it's really hard to find a paleo cheese, so I'm just using some crunchy tortilla chips. You can also use a tostada, but I again couldn't find a paleo tostada. Then I'm going to be adding in some mashed avocado. Now this is in place of the traditional sour cream. Again, sour cream is different to find paleo. You could do a coconut yogurt here, but I really like the avocado because it's got really good healthy fats and it tastes really good and creamy when it's heated up. I'm adding on some lettuce onto the top, and then in order to make the little disc on the front so that it folds together nicely, I'm going to use another tortilla and kind of just tear off the edges and make a smaller disc that's going to go in the center so that when we fold it over, you don't have a big hole and you kind of hide the lettuce and all the fillings. So lay that on the top and then go ahead and just fold all the edges in. Now the secret to working with like paleo or gluten-free tortillas is to keep it moist. So as you can see, because I was filming, it got a little cooler and it pulls apart a little bit, but once it heats up, it gets more pliable and then you can flip it. So I cooked it for about 3 minutes on the first side and then another minute on the other side. And as you can see, you can cut it in half and it holds together fairly well. But you want to go with a gluten-free or grain-free wrap because they don't have those gums and weird fillers that make the other kinds of wraps super pliable. But as you can see, I can still hold it with my hand. It holds together and it tastes so good, guys. So delicious and warm, and it was so easy to make, and a lot of things you probably already have at home. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you make it, be sure to tag me on Instagram because I love seeing your creations. If you have any more requests for things you want me to healthify, leave that down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.